Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to mark as favorite a verse on Bible Gateway. Open the website BibleGateway.com, then click Login/Sign Up. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, browse and go to the passage you wish to read. Now, highlight the verse you wish to mark as favorites. Then a toolbar will appear. Click on the star icon. Now you will see a star icon beside the verse you added as favorite. That's how you mark as favorite a verse on Bible Gateway. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.